Smoking till a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all this. What is going on, my dogs? My name is Madison and I am the Auction Dog, and today I am coming to you with a little how-to video. I have a little background story. I bought this 2008 BMW E83 X3 M Sport at an auto auction about a month ago. And I've kind of just been going through it and doing some things that it needs. And one of the last things that it really needs is something that's extremely common to this chassis. The windshield seal up here is rotten. And there's not like, I mean, there is how-tos on how to do this for different various models. And I just wanted to make sure that there was one out here on the internet for people to see for an E83. This is a very easy job, and it just really takes a little bit of cleaning up, and it's done pretty quickly. I do love this car. It's been a lot of fun, and I want to try to keep it up. So this is just some small stuff that I can do that'll help, you know, keep it there. So you can see mine's completely almost rotten off the whole way. And I've been picking at it too, just kind of like trying to get it out of here. But I mean, it's done. It's done. And so what I did was ordered a new one on eBay. I ordered a new one on eBay. It was like 58 bucks, OEM BMW. And yeah, it came in like a week. And this is what it looks like right here. So this thing goes right up on here, and you stick it up here. You can see it's got a little bit of adhesive on the bottom of it there. And it's really actually an easy install. So what I got to do is try to figure out how to pry this up, because there is no rubber on top of it for me to grab onto. I'm probably going to do it with a, I don't know, maybe like just something to get under this so I can pull it off the glass without breaking the glass. Maybe a bare needle nose or something, but we'll see. I am going to start to pull this off, just kind of get it started, and then I'll show you how I did it, and then we'll finish it up on camera so you guys can see how that goes. All right, so what I am using to do this is just a little pick. You're supposed to use non-marring tools to do this. Point blank period. You're supposed to use non-marring tools. If you have them, cool. If you don't, you can get away without it if you're just really careful. But some people like to do the stuff the right way. I like to use what I got, so you never know how that goes. Or you do know how that goes, rather. But so what I'm doing here, what I started to do was get these needle nose pliers up under this edge here. Get these needle nose pliers up under this edge here. I start pulling up on it, and then it just pops right out. Look, comes right off, bam. And that's that little metal trim. Sometimes you may still have rubber left on there. I didn't. So this is basically what I was left with. And now I'm just gonna go through. I have a little razor blade I'm gonna use to just clean all that shit off there. Get some Goo Gone on there to get the rest of the glue off. And then we're gonna reinstall this thing. So it's really actually, and this is really easy. It's really, really easy. This is skill level 1. You just gotta make 2 for some people. You never know. But you know, it's just quite easy. You just gotta be careful. Make sure you don't scratch too much. All right, so my buddy down the road's a little painter, so I went and got some solvent. And what I've been doing is just kind of putting it on there, letting it soak for a little bit, then just rubbing her off, rubbing it off. So it comes off pretty easily, the little goop on there. Most people probably would just stick it on top of that crap, and I'm not gonna do that. I wanna do it the right way and just make sure we got a good seal. So I'm gonna clean it up pretty good. So I just got a little bit more to go here. You can see where it kind of starts again there. And then once it's all clean, I'm gonna buff this out a little bit before I re-stick this on there. All right, so I got this thing all cleaned off here, got it all buffed down, and we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this strip here. Just slave away every day on a quest to be paid a small wage to counteract my ways of feeling dismay. I know I need to change my ways quick before I fucking commit to a life that's full of sinister shit. A soul listeners with darkness from my mental eclipse, wondering if it's me who is the devil with lips, eating all of your food while I am fucking you. And goddamn, man, I'm sick of this shit. I think that I'm the bottom feeder, but you see me eating good. I think that I'm the bottom feeder. All right, so she's done. Wasn't too hard. Only had to take it in and out like 4 or 5 times. So I really didn't use much tools to do this. I used a freaking pair of needle nose pliers and something to keep them off the paint. And that was it. I cleaned it up, little bit of acetone, take all that shit off there, a little paint thinner. And yeah, really very simple. If you do have any questions, drop a little comment below. Otherwise, this should be pretty self-explanatory. There wasn't really anything out there on how to do this for an X3, and I just wanted to show you a little bit. So, if you do like our content, please, you know, give us a follow, give us a like, go ahead and share this, post it on your E83 boards, whatever else. We do really appreciate it, and peace out, my dogs. Thank you very much.